The truth behind this is stranger than fiction. A tiny drip can unleash massive, hidden problems. The truth behind this is stranger than fiction. A tiny drip can unleash massive, hidden problems. Most homes experience this common, seemingly minor issue. That incessant drip, drip, drip from a leaky faucet. Its real impact extends far beyond simple annoyance. Prepare to uncover costly, environmental and structural secrets. This small leak silently devastates your home and wallet. An average leaky faucet wastes over 3,000 gallons annually. That's enough water for 180 average-length showers. The Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, confirms this figure. Nationally, household leaks waste over 1 trillion gallons yearly. This massive amount of water simply goes unused. It strains local water supplies and municipal infrastructure. Every single wasted drop contributes to this total. More water waste directly translates to higher utility bills. Unnoticed leaks can add hundreds of dollars annually. Imagine paying for water that never serves a purpose. Many homeowners attribute high bills to increased usage. Often the culprit is a persistent, tiny household leak. Checking your water meter helps confirm this suspicion easily. Ignoring drips means essentially flushing money away. Beyond bills, leaky faucets cause significant structural damage. Constant moisture promotes hazardous mold and mildew growth. This often occurs unseen inside cabinets or behind walls. Wood rot can compromise your sink base and subflooring. Water damage attracts pests like termites and carpenter ants. Repairs for such extensive damage become incredibly expensive. A small drip can lead to a complete cabinet replacement. Protecting your home starts with addressing small issues. Water waste has a profound environmental consequence. Treating and delivering water requires substantial energy. More waste means more energy consumption and emissions. This contributes directly to global climate change impacts. Conserving water protects precious natural ecosystems. Every drip saved reduces our collective carbon footprint. Sustainable living begins with small, informed choices. The good news: most leaky faucets are DIY friendly. Common issues involve worn-out washers or O-rings. These parts are inexpensive, costing only a few dollars. Fixing a leak prevents thousands in future repair costs. A basic components repair kit takes less than an hour. Fixing a leak prevents thousands in future repair costs. Fixing a leak prevents thousands in future repair costs. Dramatically lowers your monthly water expenses. That small drip holds surprising, serious consequences. It drains resources, damages homes, and harms our environment. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations.